Okay, guys, so I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put you guys because this chair is too low. Literally, too low. And I want to make brownies and talk to you about my week because this is technically my final week of school at El Camino. You know, El Camino, everything I did was last week. I did it on 15 and I'm done with that. And then this is technically my last week at LA City College. So, I have been working for the last 3 days on timeline. I'm trying to do that. You know, technically that's not due until like third. There's a couple more days. Everything's supposed to be due on the 30th. And then the final is open on the 31st to the 3rd. So technically my timeline project, because it's a lot of work, because obviously we have Mozart, we have obviously Vivaldi, Mozart, Beethoven, Haydn, Handel, and the greats of yesteryear. And we also have Jim Henson singing the national anthem. That's in there as well. And we also have Lemonade. Beyonce's Lemonade. I think it came out in 2015, give or take. So, and I'm in the mood for brownies, so that's why I'm making brownies. Need a whip right. So, I am making brownies because kids wanted brownies for the last 2 days. I made horrible lasagna like 2 days ago. Measure with your heart. Fun fact. Me se pasó la mano when it came to the lasagna I came out 2 weeks ago. I have no idea why. But I love me some whole milk. So, se me pasó la mano a couple days ago when we were making lasagna. I have no idea why. It just happened. So, what I'm going to do is remake it because I literally put like 4 teaspoons of this, big ones. And I'm like, that's not such a great idea. And then it gave me a really bad stomach ache. Really bad stomach ache that I gave the rest to the dog. Kobe ate it. So, measure with your heart when it comes to this. So, I feel good. I'm getting an A and I'm getting a B for my last semester in community college, which my overall grade point average leaving community college is a 2.554, whatever that means, including it'll probably go up like a point or so, including probably go up like 2 points, so it'll probably be like, I don't even know how GPA works. But I'll probably go up like 2 points because I got a B and an A. I got an A in music. I got an A in beginning yoga. And then I got an A, and I'm currently with a B in music history. Currently without adding my final project, which is my singing project, which I'm going to be singing all day tomorrow. So I'm going to be doing that all day tomorrow. I'm going to be singing all day tomorrow. Even though I have a couple errands to run, but I have to go to Costco with my mom tomorrow. And then after that, I will sing and warm up, look over my music. I'm doing in my own little corner from Roger Sanderstein's Cinderella, which originally that was my first song I ever sung in front of Vicky. And then I'm doing probably Far From Home I Love, because that was my first original piece that I ever learned, that I sung it for my first audition, remember? Long time ago. Oh, the good old days of getting into applied, and then not getting into applied, and blah, 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 blah. So, that's interesting in itself. But, look how thick this is. This is thick going. And then I'm probably gonna do, I might re-record my audition piece for Cal State LA, or I might just give her my audition tape. Even though it wasn't my greatest singing moments, but I'm pretty sure she's like, it doesn't mind if you give me your audition tape. I will still accept it. So yeah, that's my fourth piece, which is Until There Was You. Until There Was You from Music Man, which I sang that one for my audition, which was quite airy. So, overall, pretty much the rest of the week, I'm gonna be literally booked and busy. I have 3, not doing today, 30, and then the 31st, I have my final. So, that's exciting in itself. No, the 31st, I have my first conference with the OSP department, or OSM department. Basically the special resources department in Cal State LA. So I'm also going to talk about probably getting my own room, depending, because I am upper division. They separate us from upperclassmen, transfer students, and then the other freshmen and all of that, including freshmen, have their own dorms. And then upper division students have their own little like apartment complexes / apartments with like 4 or 5 other students. And I'm like, how's that gonna work? Because I want one roommate and my own room. So I'll figure that out tomorrow. I'll figure that out next week, how that works. And then that same day, I do my last final. And then my grades will be put in, and then I put everything back, and then I send everything else to Cal State LA, and then I start literally, I get a 2-week break, because on the 13th of next month, I start my Pan-African Studies in Race and Critical Theory. So that's going to be very interesting. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enough me rambling on. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. May the Lord bless you today, tomorrow, and always. And I'll be seeing you